The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
So before phones, before watches, before even those ticking wall clocks, how did people tell time?
They just guessed?
Nope, they used the sun. And today we're making a sundial. To get started, you're going to want to grab pale construction paper, a 9 to 12-inch paper plate, stiff cardboard, a little bit bigger than your paper plate, a large bowl for tracing, pencils or crayons, scissors, a pencil or straight stick, this is your gnomon, aka your shadow maker, mounting putty or soft clay, 4 small stones or clear tape, a dark marker, and optionally a compass and ruler.
After you've got your supplies together, put your paper on the cardboard, flip the bowl upside down, trace a big circle, cut it out.
Poke a small hole in the center of your circle.
On the cardboard, put a small ball of clay or putty right in the center. Push the eraser end of your pencil straight into it so it stands up.
Slide your paper circle down the pencil until it rests on the cardboard. Press the paper flat against the clay so it stays put.
Pick a flat, sunny spot outside. Somewhere it'll stay sunny for most of the day. Check the current time, then set an alarm for just before the next hour.
When the alarm goes off, head outside with your marker. See where the shadow hits the edge of the circle? Put a short line there and write the hour.
Repeat this every hour until you run out of sun. Here's a quick pro tip. At noon, the shadow should point north.
Want more hands-on builds and experiments like this? Scan the QR or visit go.osu.edu/themoreyougrow to get connected with the Extension office where you live.
The More You Grow is sponsored by OSU Extension and the College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.